This is a 2006 Lincoln Zephyr. We have a problem in this car where pretty much nothing works, and we can hear this clicking sound here, and the anti-theft light is on. Turn the key on, nothing, absolutely nothing on the dash. Of course, I was trying to actually I was able to communicate with 4 of the modules, and every module has like a low voltage code. I could not talk to a power control module, could not talk to a was a transmission control module, ABS module, none of those. And so anyhow, we got this car, we got the power cable hooked up to the battery, and let's check the battery voltage real quick. So the jumper cable is from that car to this car, and here's the battery voltage. Okay, 13.4 volts. Now the voltage drop, checking here, 13.9 on the positive side. On the negative side, we have a pretty much 9.6 volts. And let's see, where's my battery post? It's actually battery post as well has a 9.6 volts, because the battery is kind of low anyway. But when I we have a voltage drop, seems like on this. Let's see now. I cannot even get anything here now. It's a 9.6 volts. So you've got a huge voltage. Where can you guys see anything there? Okay, it's kind of upside down, but it's 9.6 volts of a voltage drop on the ground side. So and we get it here, pretty much 9 volts of a voltage drop on the ground. So now we have to most likely it's just a battery post itself. But let's see here. .55 volts, 2.3 volts, and all right. So I'm gonna clean up this battery post and see if it's gonna help us any or not. Okay, so I just started it, and let's check the our voltage drop. I mean, when you look at the connectors on the battery, look just fine. Honestly, I didn't see anything wrong with it until you have to check the battery voltage on the battery post and on the battery cable. And now let's see, charging 14 volts, and there you go, good ground, good power, no more voltage drop, and that's it, guys. All right, so we're gonna clean up the positive as well. But again, I mean, it was even when I took the battery cable off, I didn't see that much of corrosion. It was just just corroded. Got a little bit of sandpaper, cleaned it up, tightened down, and all good. All right, guys, thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.